In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your YouTube TV subscription. So first thing you want to do is open up a browser window. You can do this on both desktop and mobile. Go to tv.youtube.com. Once you're here, you're going to want to sign in or log in if you haven't already to your YouTube TV account. You'll see a sign in or log in button up here. And then what you want to do is go to your little profile image in the upper right-hand corner here. Click on that. And in this drop-down menu, you want to click on Settings. It's the gear icon here. And then once under Settings, you're going to see a few things here. The one that you want to go to is your membership at the top here, somewhere towards the top. And then there's a blue button that says Manage. Click on Manage. And then once you're here, you can either choose to pause, so you can pause it for a specified time, like I can pause for 8 weeks, 12 weeks, whatever it may be, or at the bottom here, you see there is a cancel option, end access to whatever the plan that you have is. Click on the blue cancel button here, let them know why you're canceling here, and then go ahead and go to the blue button that says continue canceling. It says, here's your basic plan. Here's when you have access. So basically you can, if you've already paid for the month or whatever it may be, you'll have access to a specified time that will be in the text here in red. And then just go to the blue button at the bottom that says yes, cancel. And as you can see, cancellation has been successful. And then they try to resell you on some stuff. And then you can just click on no thanks. And you can see if you go back to your membership here, you have access until whatever that date is. That'll be in red. And that's how you cancel your YouTube TV subscription. Have any questions, put them in the comments. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.